12 donkeys from there. And while bringing back to Surat, Baracha area, he mounted one of the donkey lastly, sat on it and came back home. And before reaching home he counted, he found only 11 donkeys. Again he counted only 11 है, एक गधा कम है. He bought 12 and there are only what? 11. अयो कहाँ चला गया? आपकी गधा है, भाग जाएगा कहीं. He was worried. He reached home and called his wife Kalyani. Kalyani came, and Kalyani is typical Indian. Yes, Aryaputra. And she is covering her head, not like a straight away walking. And he said, I brought 12 donkeys and there are only 11. From her gumta, she counted and said, Aryaputra, I see 13 donkeys. She has her own fun. Then he also understood. What happened? Once I took class and told the same story. There was one guy after class, he asked me, how? How? And one of my disciples is very vocal. His name is Pankaj Desai. He said, hey, this is the 14th verse. You don't ask me, okay? I will go further. This is all what? You are seated on that. Is it away from you? In time, space? No. This is called when thing is already an accomplished fact. The sukham which I want to have cannot be gained. Why? Already me. Brahmavid apnoti param tadesha pyukta satyam jnanamanantam brahma yo vedanihitam kukhaya parame pyoman so shrute sarvan kama sah brahmana vipaschiteti. This is mantra from Taittiriya Upanishad. Brahmavid param apnoti vedana matrena, jnana matrena. The knowledge of the param is the gain of the param. What you want to be, you are already. Therefore, this action cannot gain it because it is already you. An action can give you only which are anitya mande. Therefore, we are seated here. Lokan karma chitan parikshya. Lokyate bhujyate iti lokan. All our experiences. Vedanta does not give you experience. And anybody who tries to give you experience is putting you on a spiritual trip only. Any experience keeps you dumb. How do you like Bhagavatam? Everybody has. It is their own experience. And the way they feel. Therefore, experience keeps you dumb. It's not to be experienced, if you understood. All our experiences need to be analyzed. We have got enough experience, waking experience, dream experience, deep sleep experience, sukham experience, dukham experience. I'm subject to sadness. You like it or not, you are sad. So all these emotions and the commotions created by those emotions are to be analyzed, are to be understood, assimilated also. So Vedanta is, after all this experience, I examine them. Lokan, all our field of experiences, parikshya, examine them. is that? Nasti akrita kritena. Akrita, uncreated. Limitless cannot be created. Eternal cannot be the product of something. It is. Nasti akrita kritena karmana. What is real, what is truth, cannot be the result of an action. Therefore, all actions which I am doing, constantly doing with a pressure inside to become something, and becoming require what? Further becoming. I want to be doctor. Yeah. When you become doctor, you want to become what? You want to specialize. The specialized become super specialized. They become medical counselor. All the time goes up and up. Always demanding. Becoming is not a problem, but becoming will solve my problem of my being unacceptable in my perception. It will not solve that. Therefore, very beautiful story in Ramayana. In Ramayana is not there, but this way in Ramachandra story. When Ramachandra returns to Ayodhya, and Janaki ji really wanted to give honor to Hanuman ji. The amount of job he has done is nobody has done. And for the woman, the necklace is very important. Pearl necklace, real pearl necklace. She in the Sabha, he gave it to Hanuman ji. And in the front of everybody, Hanuman ji did what? Broke one after one other pearl. Sita ji's heart was in her mouth. ये क्या कर रहा है? बंदर तो बंदर ही होता है. He must have told inside, not openly. You are breaking my pearl, real pearl. Why are you doing, Hanuman? ये क्या बात है, Hanuman ji? He was asked, क्या कर रहे हैं, Hanuman ji? Do you know the value of this pearl? Yes. Why are you breaking? I want to see. It has got Rama inside of me. Ramanti yogino asminiti Rama. Where yogis, all the sadhaka dwell, or we also dwell, you always love happiness. In happiness we dwell. That is called Rama. Therefore I am saying whether the pearl is Rama or not. Then where is Rama? Sita ji asked. And he says, Hanumanji opened his chest and saw what? Sita, Ram, Lakshmana inside. These are my Aradhya. They are within me, they are me only. They are not outside or inside. Don't come and tell me, Swamiji, Ananda is inside. Very dangerous. See, people seeking happiness outside, I like them. They go to McDonald's, I like them. Rich French fries, not more than that, okay? Like it, okay. But if somebody says, I am looking happiness inside me, where? In the intestine or kidney, where? Inside me is what? So, very dangerous fellow inside Ananda. We say, you are Ananda, cannot inside. They said, it is not there. Lokan parikshe. Hanumanji is seen that way. So here, today morning, to start the Upanishad, to create even why I am studying the Upanishad, Prayojanam. The purpose of Upanishad is to help you to assimilate your experiences. Number two, to understand action is only for gaining these four type of results. If you want, you can gain them, but gaining this result will not solve my basic problem of self-unacceptance. The way I know myself is unacceptable. I am small. Do you accept that? No. I am insignificant. No. This is why I want to be significant all the time. People want to be in the limelight all the time. What must they do to become significant? In New York, you can see people dye their hair green. Have you seen or not? They dye their hair green to draw your attention. You are confused. You think trees are walking around. Therefore, this either hair green. This is called what? Drawing attention. Want to become significant. More you want to become significant, you are not a significant person. Who cares for you? Especially go to India, millions of people, nobody bothers for your presence only, except shopkeepers. They know you are NRI, correct? And their prices immediately goes up because you are what? Bakra. For them. Who cares for you? Therefore, to become significant, you did see so much till you are what? Insignificant. Vedanta says you are the only significant. What you want to be, you are already. How come I don't know? Because of ignorance. Now one more question. Why I want to become happy? Why I want to become happy? Because that is your nature. You know? Most of you are, how many are from south of India? Okay. They have got a standard cup of coffee. Coffee. And not this Gujarati coffee. Gujarati coffee you can't take. More milk, little coffee, and there is instant coffee, lot of sugar. They will never drink. They want what? Decoction. Very well boiled, little milk, and so much. They have little sugar and 3 yard. Yes. 3 yard. You put from one cup to another and make yard. 1, 2, 3, correct? Sometimes 7 yard also. This is called 7 yard coffee. Correct? Now you are used to that coffee, and I give you Gujarati coffee and ask you, how is that? Then you say what? I had my cup, thank you, I don't want it. In America, very, very polite. In India, we will say, you only drink, we can never drink this coffee. Okay? Because you have got what? Standard cup of coffee. Till Mysore coffee is different than Tamil Nadu. There's still difference again. So, here, the Starbucks. Cappuccino, all the thing is there again. Somewhere somebody gave me one and drank. 3 days I did not sleep. This coffee is so strong. And this fellow drank that and went to sleep. Hate must be so strong, I tell you. So this coffee you got standard. Any cup of coffee, you got a standard cup of coffee with reference to they say, oh this is good, oh this is okay. Oh, this is, just chhod it's called what? Correct. So when you have any experience of happiness, you have got something to compare. No, what I wanted, it is not there. Any experience, you are always left high and dry. Or still I can get more. If you see in the south of India, they call kacheri. Kacheri, the concert. If the frog is sitting in the throat of this fellow who's singing now, he cannot reach certain pitch. But what he will do, when he can't reach pitch, he will put a finger up. Or upar jana hai. I have to reach there. That's called standard, correct? So you know what? Your standard happiness. What is your standard of happiness? When there is no division, when there is no lack, you are complete. In India there is advertisement. The raiment suit makes you a complete person. Raiment, if you wear the suit, you become what?